Hello, hello, and welcome to our wonderful listeners around the world. I hope you are having a cozy and beautiful day wherever you are.
Hello, everyone. It is so good to be back with you. I am feeling fantastic today, and I am ready to learn.
I am so glad to hear that, Brian. Speaking of feeling good, something really funny happened to me yesterday.
Oh, really? Do tell. I love your stories, Kate.
Well, I decided to be a little adventurous. I went to a new bakery in my neighborhood. I wanted to buy just one small cookie, just one.
Just one? I know where this is going. It is impossible to buy just one cookie.
Exactly. You know me too well. So I walked in, and the smell of fresh bread was amazing. I looked at the baker and said, I will take this one and that one and, oh, maybe three of those.
I knew it. So you did not take just one.
No, I took a whole box home. But it was worth it. It made my afternoon so lovely. I just sat by the window, took a break, and enjoyed my treats.
That sounds perfect. Taking a break is so important. And you know what, Kate? You actually used our special word for today in your story.
I did? I did, didn't I?
You said, I will take this one, and you said you took a whole box.
Bingo. That is our word for today. Today, we're exploring one of the most common, useful, and flexible verbs in English. The word is take.
Take. T-A-K-E. It's a small word, but it has so many meanings.
It really does. You can take a bus, take a break, take a picture, or take a chance.
Wow. We use it everywhere.
We do, and today we're going to make it easy for you. If you're enjoying our podcast, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who are learning English. One way to support us.
Yes, please do. We love our community.
All right, are you ready? Golden Key English starts now.
Okay, Kate. Take feels like a chameleon. It changes its meaning depending on the situation.
That's a great way to describe it, Brian. A chameleon. But don't worry, we're going to look at the most useful ways to use it.
Just remember, listeners, don't worry if it feels like too much. Just pick one or two meanings today, step by step.
Exactly. Let's start with the first major meaning. This is about movement and transportation.
Ah, I use this every single day.
Me too. Simply put, we use take when we use a vehicle to go somewhere.
So instead of saying, I go by bus, which is okay, it's much more natural to say, I take the bus.
Spot on. Imagine this. It's a rainy morning. You're looking out the window. You don't want to walk. So you decide, I will take a taxi.
Ooh, fancy. I usually take the subway. It's faster.
True. Let me tell you a quick story about this. Last summer, when I was traveling, I got a little lost.
Oh no, getting lost is the worst.
I was standing in the middle of a big city. I asked a kind stranger, how do I get to the museum? And she smiled and said, it's far. You should take the number 5 bus.
That's so helpful. Take the number 5 bus.
Exactly. And I was so relieved. I didn't have to walk. So, listeners, remember this pattern. Take plus a vehicle. Take the train, take the bus, take the subway.
Got it. Can I say, take my car?
Yes, you can. I'll take my car to work today. It means you're using it to go there.
Perfect. It makes you sound so natural.
Now, let's look at the second meaning. This one is about time.
Time? Like looking at a clock?
Sort of. We use take to talk about how much time we need to finish something.
Ah, I see. Like duration.
Bingo. Here's the pattern. It takes plus time. For example, it takes 10 minutes.
Okay, let me try. Imagine I'm cooking dinner. I'm making a simple pasta. I can say, it takes 20 minutes to cook.
That's a perfect example, Brian. It takes 20 minutes.
What if it was in the past, like yesterday?
Good question. Then we change take to took. T-O-O-K.
Took. Okay. So, yesterday, the traffic was terrible. It took me an hour to get home.
Oh, I hate traffic, but that's a perfect sentence. It took an hour.
I have a funny memory about this. Once I tried to fix my bicycle. I thought, this will be easy. It'll take 5 minutes.
Giggles. Uh-oh, famous last words.
Exactly. It did not take 5 minutes. It took me all afternoon.
Oh, poor Brian. But that's a great story for our listeners. It took all afternoon. This is such a common phrase. You can use this at work, too. This project will take 3 days.
That's very professional. I like it.
Okay, moving on to our third meaning. This one is all about self-care and daily actions.
Ooh, I love self-care.
Me too. In English, we often use take with a noun to describe an action. For example, instead of just saying I shower, we often say I take a shower.
Right. I take a shower. That sounds very familiar.
It's softer and more natural. We also say take a break.
Take a break. That sounds nice right now.
Doesn't it? Imagine you're working hard at your desk, your eyes are tired, your back hurts. You stand up and say, I need to take a break.
I do that every day at 3 p.m. I take a coffee break.
Lovely. And here's another important one. When you're tired, you might take a nap.
A nap. I love naps.
Me too. Just a short sleep. I'm going to take a nap.
Kate, can I use take for medicine?
Yes, that's a very important point. In some languages, you eat medicine or drink medicine, but in English, we always say take medicine.
I have a headache, so I will take some aspirin.
Perfect example. You're on fire today, Brian.
I'm just taking your advice.
Nice one. Okay, let's look at our fourth meaning. This one is about choosing or accepting something.
Choosing. Like shopping?
Yes, exactly like shopping. Remember my cookie story?
Yes, you took the whole box.
Right. When we decide to buy something, we say, I'll take it.
I'll take it. Short and sweet.
Imagine you're trying on a jacket. You look in the mirror, it fits perfectly. You look cool. You turn to the salesperson and say, I love it. I'll take it.
That's such a useful phrase for travel.
It is, and it works for offers too. If someone offers you a job, you can say, I'll take the job.
Or if someone gives you advice?
Yes, I'll take your advice. It means I accept it and I will use it.
That's good to know. So take means I'm receiving it or choosing it.
Exactly. You're grabbing it for yourself.
Got it.
And finally, let's do one more quick meaning. This one is about capturing images.
Oh, cameras.
Yes, in English, we do not make a photo, we take a photo or take a picture.
I hear people make this mistake often. Please make a photo of me.
Warmly, yes, it's a very common mistake, but now you know, it's always take. Can you please take a photo of us?
Look at that sunset. I have to take a picture.
Beautiful example. It captures the moment.
Wow, Kate, we have covered a lot. Transport, time, self-care, choosing, and photos.
We really have. Take is a busy word. Now let's look at some common everyday phrases. These are little combinations of words that act like friends. They always go together.
I'm ready. What's the first one?
The first one is take it easy.
Take it easy. I like the sound of that.
It means to relax or to not be angry. If your friend is working too hard, you can say, "Hey, take it easy."
Or if someone is driving too fast. Whoa, take it easy.
Exactly. It's very useful. Another one is take care.
Ah, we use this to say goodbye.
Yes, goodbye, take care. It's warm and friendly. It means look after yourself.
It's much nicer than just saying bye.
I agree. And one more phrase, take place.
Take place. That sounds a bit formal.
It is a little more formal. It just means happen. For example, the meeting will take place in room B.
Ah, okay. The concert takes place in the park.
Spot on. Warmly, see, you're getting it perfectly.
It's making sense now.
All right, friends. Now it's time for the most important part, speaking practice.
Yes, this is where you build your muscles.
We'll say a sentence, and we want you to repeat it. Don't be shy. Say it out loud.
We will leave a quiet space for you. Ready? Let's go.
I take the bus to work.
Say it with me. I take the bus to work.
Now you say it.
It takes 20 minutes.
Say it slowly. It takes 20 minutes.
Now you.
Let's take a break.
Imagine you are tired. Say it with feeling. Let's take a break.
I will take a shower.
Repeat after me. I will take a shower.
Did you take your medicine?
It's a question. Try to sound curious. Did you take your medicine?
I'll take it.
Imagine you are buying something. I'll take it.
Please take a photo of us.
Pause and repeat it 2 times. Please take a photo of us.
It took a long time.
This is in the past. It took a long time.
Take it easy.
Say it to a friend. Take it easy.
Goodbye. Take care.
Say it with a smile. Goodbye. Take care.
Wow, listening to everyone practicing makes me so happy.
Me too. I can feel the energy. Great job, everyone.
Now, let's quickly look at a few common mistakes. We want to help you sound as natural as possible.
Don't worry about mistakes. They are just part of learning.
Exactly. One common mistake we hear is, I ride the bus.
Wait, is that wrong?
It is not grammatically wrong, but it can sound a little childish, like you are riding a pony or a roller coaster.
Ah, I see. So take is more standard for commuting.
Yes. Another one is make a photo. We talked about this. Never make.
Always take. Take a photo.
And one last one, be careful with take a coffee.
Oh, I say that sometimes.
You can say it, especially in Europe, it is becoming common, but in standard English, we usually say have a coffee or get a coffee.
Ah, right. Let's get a coffee. That sounds very natural.
Exactly, but take a medicine is always correct.
English is tricky sometimes.
It is, but that is why we are here, to help you navigate it.
So, Kate, I have a question for our listeners.
What is it, Brian?
I want to ask, when was the last time you took a real break?
Ooh, that is a good question. Listeners, think about it. Did you take a break today, or was it last weekend?
For me, I took a long break last Sunday. I turned off my phone. It was amazing.
That sounds lovely. I took a break this morning to drink my tea and look at the birds.
So tell us, or tell yourself right now, I took a break when?
Maybe you can say, I took a break yesterday, or I will take a break tonight.
And remember to take care of yourself.
Yes, absolutely. Well, we're coming to the end of our episode today.
Time flies when you're having fun. Or I should say, it didn't take long at all.
Very clever, Brian. Let's do a super quick recap. We use take for transport,
Take the bus.
for time,
It takes 10 minutes.
for self-care,
Take a shower.
for choosing,
I'll take it.
and for photos.
Take a picture.
You've got this. Just practice a little bit every day. Try to use one of these phrases tomorrow.
Trust us. It will get easier. You are doing great.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell us what you took today. Did you take a bus? Did you take a nap? We want to know.
Yes, hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. This is Golden Key English.
Thank you for spending your time with us. Keep smiling, keep speaking, and take care.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.